Callie's biggest meltdown ever because she's not allowed to have another Thin Mint. She's not allowed to have another chocolate Thin Mint. Thin Mints are right there. Callie.
Callie, Rose.
Oh, and here comes Daddy to the rescue.
Elizabeth, stand up. Stop crying. That's what you want?
Daddy's just torturing her now.
Have a kiss? Here. Come here. Have a kiss? Have a kiss. Have a kiss now? Hey! Alright, no more Thin Mints then.
Instant bliss.
Say
See
bye-bye.
how long this lasts. Is that good, Callie?
All gone.
You had the last Thin Mint. There's no more left. You ate them all. Remember what I said last time? Eat it slowly. I think you learned your lesson. I think you're eating it nice and slow this time. It's all gone. You still got it. You got it hanging out of your mouth. Here, you dropped some.